Hey guys, welcome back to Knotty Threads. In case you're watching our video for the first time, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. So for today's design, I am using 7 strands of silk thread. This is the pallu and the body of the sari is green. So that is the reason I'm working in green. So I have 7 strands and all strands knotted together here. And along with that, I'm using my regular crochet hook number 10 and this kind of round beads. You can use any beads of your choice. If not beads, you can use crystals, pearls, anything you want. So I'm going to start off the first step by fixing the knot in the corner here. So pierce the needle, pull a loop and work one chain. So that way we have fixed the knot. Now I'm going to make 4 chains and fix this chain block using a single crochet here. So after one single crochet, I'm going to add my bead. So take the bead in the needle, push it in this loop, tighten the thread and lock it using a chain stitch. Now when we are working the base, the right side of the pallu should be towards yourself, otherwise this will be seen in the front side. So after the bead, after locking it, we'll again fix it using a single crochet. And then I'm going to continue making 4 chains, 2, 3 and 4. So fix it again using a single crochet. So this is 1, 2, so I have my second color, which is this pink, kind of magenta pink. So you can either fix the knot right next to it, like how we started that first step, or you can simply make knots like this manually. Once I've done that, I'm going to insert my hook in that chain space and make one chain so that I have a loop on the needle, and then I'm going to work 4 chains and a single crochet inside this single crochet. So the single crochet that is before the bead, that is where I'm working my single crochet. Then I'm going to add these beads. So I'll push all 3 together. And then I'm going to add 2 more. So in total it is 5 beads. So the number of beads in this step depends on the size of the bead that you have used here. So depending on that size you can check. Now once you've added 5 beads, just hold your needle like this and check if it is reaching to this single crochet. In case it is reaching here, then it means the number of beads are good enough. Now I'm going to work one single crochet here inside this single crochet. So by doing that, these beads form an arch here. After this single crochet, I'm going to work 4 chains, 2, 3 and 4, and again work one single crochet inside this single crochet. So on either sides of this bead, we will be tying our tassel, and our arch will be here in the 3rd block. So we have 5 blocks in between 2 beads, so our arch will be in the 3rd block. So before we start working our arch, I'm going to work 2 single crochets here in the next block, and then I'm going to work treble crochets for the arch so that my arch looks slightly bigger. So for the treble, I have rolled around the needle twice, and then I'm going to pass 3 times like this. So each time we will be passing the thread through 2 loops. So this is my first treble, and after every treble I'm going to add one bead. So just push one bead and then start your other treble. So wind the thread around the needle twice like this, go into the loop, pull the thread and come out. When you're actually out, you will have 4 loops on the hook. So you'll have to yarn over and pass through the first 2 and then 2 and the last 2. That is what makes a treble. So I will be adding bead after every treble. So around 8 trebles is what I think will fit in here. So 8 treble means 7 beads, because I've started with a treble and I will be ending with a treble. So there will be 7 beads in between. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have added 5 beads so far. I'll be adding 2 more. So that makes it 8 trebles and 7 beads. So once you're done with this count, you can check. If you have some more space left, you can squeeze in 1 or 2 more stitches, but I feel for me this is good enough. So I'm going to work 2 single crochets in the next block, and then 1 single crochet inside the previous single crochet, and then 4 chains and single crochet inside this single crochet. So once you're done with this is where we will add our beads again. So 5 beads is what you will be adding here. So it's exactly the same way. You will have to keep repeating the steps. So I'll push first 3 beads and then the next 2 beads. So in total it becomes 5, and you don't have to lock it with any chain stitch. Just do a single crochet directly inside here. After finishing the crochet part, I have added tassels on either sides of this bead. Since I have used pink for the crochet part, I have added tassels in green color. So that way it looks identical on both the sides. But if you want, you can, if sari has more colors, then you can tie these 2 in one color and the next 2 in the other color. Even that variation will look good. But since this sari did not have a lot of color options, this is how I have finished it. So for the tassels, I have used 120 strands of silk thread neatly ironed before I tied it with 2 strands of sari. So the finished look is like this. It's a very easy design and you can easily complete it in less than 3 hours along with tying the tassel, because that's how much time I consumed to do this. Less than 3 hours. That's it. So do let me know in the comment section what you think about this design, and if you like this design, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also share the video with your friends. I shall see you guys soon with more interesting stuff. Until then, take care. Bye bye.